Hi friends, this is Sudarshana once again with you, and today I'm gonna make Muhallabia cake. You can also call it Shahi Tukra cake because in base it is Shahi Tukra, in up it is Muhallabia. For this we need bread. As you can see, breads are here and it is cut and spread it here. This is my pan where I make this. Here you can see 1 liter milk. It is double cream milk, so I'm not adding any extra milk. Extra cream, double cream milk, that's why. And this is about 2.5 tablespoon of cornstarch, which I have mixed with milk. Here is butter. You can see it is already melted. Sugar in 2 cups. I'm gonna tell you later what I'm gonna do with it. Water. This is rose water, and this one is the normal. Here is some pistachio, some almond, and this one is dried rose petals. So let's start it. Here is the butter, which is I have already melted. It is about 3 tablespoons. So now I'm gonna do it. See, I'm gonna dip this and brush here all over this bread, this whole butter. And after that I'm gonna transfer it into the oven and bake it until it looks crispier and better, I can tell, until it looks brownish, crisp. After that I'm gonna take it out from the oven. So let's just cover it. You can see I have already greased all the breads with butter, melted butter. And one more thing I have forget to tell you, what I have done. First I greased this whole pan I have already greased with butter, and after that I have done this. And one more thing is that if you don't have oven, no problem at all, you can just shallow fry these breads in gas oven. Now you can see I have taken one deep bottom pan and I'm adding this sugar over here, and I'm gonna continuously stir this like this until it caramelized. I'm here using not normal sugar syrup, I'm using here caramelized sugar syrup. That's why first I'm gonna just caramelize, then I'm gonna add water to it. Now you can see whole sugar is caramelized, it's changed its color, and I'm gonna add water. Here about I add 300 ml water in 100 gram of sugar. So let it dissolve and make a nice sugar syrup with this caramel. Now you can see this sugar syrup is ready. All caramelized sugar and are melted in water syrup, and it is ready. It's not very sticky kind of syrup, it's very light. And now the next step. Here is the milk, and you can see I have corn flour, which I have already mixed with milk. And now I'm gonna just add this here, mix well, adding rose petal and sugar. Here I have using about 75 gram of sugar. Sweetness is up to you. If you like more, you can add more. If you don't like this much, you can make it less. So now I mix all these things together, and now I'm just turn on the heat and continuously stir this, because already I have adding here cornstarch. So within a few minutes it will like just pudding format. You can see. Now you can see this pudding or custard or muhallabia, whatever you want to say, you can say, it is ready. And I'm gonna add rose water. This one is very strong, so I'm not using much amount of it. See, so it is ready. I'm just turning off the gas. So you can see breads are done. It is look nice, crispy. And here I'm gonna add this caramel syrup like this, and it looks glossy because I am using my butter spoon. That's why it looks glossy, otherwise no. See, I'm just pour all this over here. It will soak within a few minutes. Once it's soaked, then I'm gonna add my pudding mixture. It will take 2-3 minutes. Now you can see it is pudding, that muhallabia. It is still hot, but no problem. Here is my baked bread, and I'm gonna just pour all over here. See, wow, so nice floral rosy aroma. Now you can see it is like this. I have this dry fruits, gonna just pour all over here. And one more thing is that once it cool down, it will set, because I'm adding enough corn flour. That's why it's just like pudding like pieces, or maybe say a little liquider than pudding. It's very tasty. If you want, you can eat it like this in hot format, and if you want to have it in cool format, just keep it into the fridge after it is cooled down, and then cut it like cakes and eat. It's very easy to make, very tasty and yummy. Tata from Sudarshana once again. Bye bye. If you have any question regarding this recipe, you can ask me, and subscribe my channel, share my video as much as possible. Bye bye.